Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top natural remedies for pimples and acne. You know me, I'm all about getting down and dirty with those pesky pimples, but sometimes a little natural TLC is all you need. If you're looking for clear skin tips, you're in the right place. We're talking about simple, effective remedies you can try at home. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. But hey, that's the beauty of natural remedies. You can experiment and find what your skin loves. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics, folks. Cleansing your face is like showering for your skin. It's non-negotiable. You want to wash away all the dirt, oil, and grime that builds up throughout the day. Imagine all that gunk clogging your pores and leading to breakouts. No thanks. Look for a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. And remember, twice a day is the magic number. Once in the morning and once before bed. Don't even think about going to bed with a face full of makeup. Your skin will thank you for it. Trust me, a clean face is a happy face. Now let's talk about warm compresses. Think of this as giving your pores a little steamy spa treatment. A warm compress can help to open up those pores and loosen any trapped dirt or oil. It's like giving your skin a chance to breathe. Plus, the warmth can help to reduce inflammation and redness, making those pimples less noticeable. Just soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring it out, and hold it gently against your skin for a few minutes. Doesn't that feel nice? It's a simple yet effective way to pamper your skin and give those pimples a run for their money. Next up, we have tea tree oil, a natural powerhouse when it comes to fighting acne. This essential oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it can help to kill the bacteria that cause pimples and reduce the redness and swelling that comes with them. But here's the thing. Tea tree oil is potent stuff, so you never want to apply it directly to your skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or even plain old water. A good ratio is 1 part tea tree oil to 9 parts carrier oil. Once you've mixed it up, apply a small amount to your pimple using a cotton swab. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, but that's just the tea tree oil working its magic. Aloe vera. It's not just for sunburns, folks. This miracle plant is a must-have for anyone battling breakouts. Why? Because aloe vera gel is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. Plus, aloe vera can help to speed up the healing process, so those pimples disappear faster. Just scoop out a small amount of pure aloe vera gel from a plant, or use a high-quality store-bought gel, and apply it directly to your pimples. You can leave it on overnight or rinse it off after a few hours. Your skin will feel soothed and refreshed. Now let's talk about a surprising natural remedy, orange peel. That's right. The same peel you usually toss in the trash can actually work wonders for your skin. Orange peel contains citric acid, which has natural bleaching properties that can help to fade acne scars and even out your skin tone. To use it, simply dry out some orange peels in the sun until they're hard and brittle. Then, grind them into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. Mix the powder with a little bit of honey to form a paste and apply it to your acne scars. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. With regular use, you'll start to notice those scars fading away. For centuries, sandalwood has been a prized ingredient in skincare for its incredible healing and soothing properties. And let me tell you, it's earned its reputation. Sandalwood powder can help to reduce inflammation, redness, and even fight the bacteria that cause acne. Plus, it smells amazing. To create a simple sandalwood mask, mix a tablespoon of sandalwood powder with a bit of rose water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your clean face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. As the mask dries, you'll feel a tightening sensation. That's a good sign. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. We all know milk is good for our bones, but did you know it can also do wonders for our skin? That's right. This humble kitchen staple is packed with lactic acid, which is a natural exfoliant that can help to fade acne scars and brighten the skin. Simply soak a cotton ball in cold milk and apply it to your acne scars. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with water. For an extra boost, you can add a pinch of turmeric to the milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can further help to heal and prevent breakouts. So next time you're reaching for a glass of milk, remember to save some for your skin. Roses are known for their beauty and fragrance, but did you know their petals can also work wonders for your skin? Rose petals are rich in antioxidants and have natural astringent properties that can help to tighten pores and reduce the appearance of acne scars. To create a luxurious rose petal face mask, soak a handful of rose petals in milk for a few hours. Then, blend the petals and milk together until you have a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your clean face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel soft, supple, and radiant. Curd, also known as yogurt, is a natural probiotic powerhouse that's not just good for your gut. It's amazing for your skin too. Curd contains lactic acid, which, as we learned earlier, is a natural exfoliant that can help to fade acne scars and brighten the skin. To create a simple yet effective curd mask, mix a tablespoon of curd with a teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your clean face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You can also add a pinch of gram flour or rice flour to the mask for extra exfoliation. Your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and glowing. Coconut oil and lemon, a match made in skincare heaven. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and has antibacterial properties, while lemon is a natural bleaching agent that can help to fade acne scars. Together, they make a powerful duo for fighting breakouts and achieving clear, radiant skin. To use this dynamic duo, start by applying a small amount of coconut oil to your acne scars. Then, cut a lemon wedge and rub it gently over the scars. Leave the mixture on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. For an extra boost, you can add a pinch of baking soda and turmeric to the coconut oil before applying it to your skin. This will create a paste that will help to further exfoliate and brighten your skin. Honey and cinnamon, they're not just for your morning toast. These pantry staples also happen to be powerful acne fighters. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to fight the bacteria that cause acne. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce redness and swelling. To create a simple honey and cinnamon mask, mix a tablespoon of raw honey with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply the mixture to your clean face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. Sometimes all your skin needs is a little chill time. Ice can be incredibly effective in reducing inflammation and redness, making those pesky pimples less noticeable. Wrap a few ice cubes in a clean cloth or paper towel and apply it to your pimples for a few seconds at a time. Avoid applying ice directly to your skin, as it can cause irritation. The cold temperature will help to constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and redness. It's a quick and easy way to soothe irritated skin and calm down those angry pimples. I know, it's tempting to pick at those pimples, but trust me, it's the worst thing you can do. Picking or squeezing your pimples can push bacteria deeper into the skin, leading to more inflammation, scarring, and even infection. So resist the urge. Instead, focus on keeping your hands away from your face as much as possible. Think about all the things you touch throughout the day: your phone, your keyboard, doorknobs, all covered in germs. Now, imagine transferring all those germs to your face every time you touch it. Not a pretty picture, right? So keep those hands busy and off your face. Remember when I said your skin is like a plant? Well, just like plants need water to thrive, so does your skin. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses its elasticity and becomes dry, making it more prone to breakouts. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also sip on herbal teas or eat water-rich fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Last but not least, let's talk about the connection between your diet and your skin. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and it's true. What you put into your body shows up on your skin. A diet high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts and inflammation. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can do wonders for your complexion. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourish your skin from the inside out. So ditch the junk food and embrace a healthy, balanced diet for clear, radiant skin. So there you have it, my top natural remedies for pimples and acne. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. And don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Consistency is key. Keep up with these natural remedies, be patient, and you'll be well on your way to achieving clear, radiant skin. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us. Like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and useful content.